AI video tools are getting crazy powerful, and the best part is, many of them are free. Imagine turning a simple text or image into a high-quality video, and then using that content to make money on YouTube, TikTok, or even freelancing platforms. In this video, I'll show you 5 of the best free AI text-to-video tools you can start using today to actually earn online. The very first AI tool is Wand 2.2. First, open the website. I give it a prompt, a girl walking in neon street, to see what kind of video it makes. In a few seconds, it will create the video. See how nicely it has adjusted reflections, shadows, and movements. Now let's move to the next tool, which is Flow. Here also you can make 5 videos from one account. See here, both models are there. Even the fast version of VEO is free. Now let's try it. Apple-style watch ad video. I upload this image and give it this prompt. And if you are liking the video, then like and share the video. Let's go next. And boom, look at the magic. It has made such premium animations for the watch and also added zoom in. Now let's try a prompt also. A famous CGI burger ad video. I give it the following prompt and go next. Once again, boom, see the result. People charge hundreds of dollars for such ads. Now it's time for the next tool. For this, go to Google AI Studio and select VEO. I give it an extreme hard crocodile image to test its skills and a minimal prompt. Animate it. Let's run it and see the final output. With a minimal prompt, it has made such a nice video. Next, now we sit in a fighter jet. Just kidding. I give it a prompt to make a fighter jet video. But first, like it. Let's run it. Once again, check the output. It has managed the details so well. Now, ladies and gentlemen, the next tool is Runway ML. Let's open it. I give it a tough horse image and a minimal prompt. Animate it. Now see the video generation speed, how fast it is. And along with that, see the result too. It has made horse motion and water drops details so nicely. Now directly let's go to space, and in the prompt I say send me, meaning my character, to space. Again, see the speed, how fast it is, and see the result too. It has managed sunshine and space physics so well. Now the last tool is Pixverse. Just like the other tools, let's open it and give it a prompt to make a paper plane, and its speed is faster than the previous one. In just a few seconds, the video is ready. It has made shadows and dark lights so well. Now give it another creative prompt. A person coming down with a parachute. Let's go next. In just 5 to 7 seconds, the video is ready. See how nicely the person is coming down. The atmosphere is so accurate. This was today's crispy video. If you liked the video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to earn money by making nano videos, then click on this video and watch it till the end.